This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. Sold out newly constructed waterfront community near Windermere and Winter Garden, 3 miles from Disney. Floor plan and walk-through video are available. As you step inside this elegant home, you are embraced by the breathtaking waterfront views. Over 4,000 square feet of pure enjoyment featuring 5 bedrooms/4 baths plus office, master, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths upstairs west/office, 1 bedroom, theater room, and 1 bath downstairs, no closets in downstairs rooms, 3-car garage west/additional 11 by 11 space, gourmet kitchen west/hood, 5-burner Samsung induction glass cooktop, built-in oven west/microwave, BOSCH dishwasher, walk-in pantry, QUARTZ counters, backsplash, eat-in kitchen, custom lighting, dining area, mud room by garage, ample storage, water filtration system, fenced yard, built-in speakers inside and out, termite bond, and so much more. Flooring consists of wood-like tile in gray tones and carpet. Oversized master suite faces the water and includes a seating area for your morning read, dual sinks, granite counters, garden tub, shower, and his/her closets. 2 rooms are adjoined by a Jack and Jill bath west/dual counters, while the 3rd room has its own ensuite bath. Downstairs has 1 room at the front of the home, ideal for a guest suite or office, no closet, west/the additional room facing the water and next to the pool bath. Step outside for outdoor enjoyment and soak in the sun and water views. The recently added pavers and privacy wall extends your backyard entertainment. A home at this price and size is hard to find. Community features a playground and pool. Enjoy Disney fireworks without ever leaving your home. Located near interstate travel, theme parks, shops, and restaurants. Don't wait, this could be your dream home. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Boyd at 321-209-5540.